Here we are with Oh Christmas Tree. Let's first find middle C. Here's the group of two black keys in the middle of your keyboard or piano. Right here is the note C. Right next door to C is D. Then there's E, then F, and then G. The notes you'll need are C, D, E, F, G. That's our home position for the right hand. Left hand has a home position here. Find the group of two black keys. Put your pinky right here on C. C is always to the left of the group of two black keys. The notes underneath your fingers are C, D, E, F, and G. 1, 2, 3, ready, and. Here's the song again with some of the moving around parts broken down, some of the times when we're out of position. So here it is at the beginning. 1, 2, 3, ready, and. Reach down for B with finger number 1. Then you're going to take finger 2 and play D. Finger 1 comes back to home position. So that whole series again. Continuing the song. Reach down for B. New hand position. You're going to reach with finger 4 and play G. So it should sound like this when you get to the new position. And now we're going to go back to our home position. Down for B. Out of position. Home position.